So let's see how the chickens are getting on outside free ranging. Yeah, we've just let them out. We kept them in for a few weeks just so they got accustomed to their living quarters, but now they're out. Yep, until we build a secure enclosure for them. Me and Sam don't mind coming out here of an evening and just sitting down and watching them. So relaxing. We do have lots of predators in the area, foxes being the main one, so yeah. They're not straying too far. Yeah, hello Sam. They're not straying too far from their coop at the moment. If we let them out at the right time of day, they've laid their eggs and hold back a little bit of food so we can get them in easy enough. They'll soon get the idea. Eat some of these brambles. It's lovely out in the dell. Yeah, it's alright. It's only me. Cockerel's on lookout duty. It's alright, it's only a... what is it? Let's have a look. Ah, it's a plane. It's a light aircraft. I thought it was one of those... what's those things where they sit underneath it? Paraglide? No.
Hang glides.
Hang
gliders.
Yeah, I thought it was one of them, but
No,
light aircraft. Yeah. Remember when we used to get hot air balloons take off from out the back?
All the time, yeah.
We wondered what it was, didn't we? We were sitting there one evening and we heard like the roar of the flames and the burners, and we couldn't see nothing. We thought, what is going on here? I hadn't long lived here. And then the next thing, a hot air balloon appeared from behind the house. Yeah, it was quite some sight. I haven't seen it lately actually. Maybe the use of land has changed over that way. But yeah, see all sorts here. Now to tempt them back in, they might go back in themselves, but we've got some different grain for them. We've got some linseed as well. I think they'll really like that, but I don't think there's any problem with them going back in. I think as it turns to dusk, they'll naturally find their way back in. Maybe the cockerel will call them in. He was just crowing a minute ago, calling to his neighbour. There's a little bird there. Yeah. I thought that was another chicken behind me there scratching about. Sam, it was a little bird. Just get a different perspective on the cottage. That lilac is smelling amazing, especially when the sun's out. Yeah, it's kind of taken over that, isn't it? Self-seeded on the edge of the pond.
Yeah.
We need to tackle this. What's this stuff called? I can never pronounce it.
Miscanthus.
Miscanthus. Yeah, it's used in the fields around here now, ain't it?
Yeah, they grow it as a...
catch crop.
No, I think they grow it to burn or to make mulches with as well.
Yeah, but it purifies the ground. It removes all the heavy metals.
They seem to be growing it year after year. So if they were just growing it for that, then they wouldn't, would they?
No, it seems to be a fairly new thing around here, don't it? They sell it for bedding and that for animals, and yeah, self-seeded.
And it just has these seed heads on it.
Well, you made short work of that, mate. I think what I may have to do to get into the centre of there, I'm not wading in there, no way. I have to get the ladders, put the ladders across to the other side, and then that way I can pull out all this overgrown vegetation. Recently trimmed the edge, got rid of most of the brambles, but we've got some beautiful lilies in there. They're still alive, but looks like they're getting a bit overgrown. All 3 of them have gone back into the coop. There's 3 that are staying up late. Okay, let's just have another head count. Now, we have had before a fox run in front of us and grab a chicken and run off. Yep, not this lot. Oh. But a previous lot of chickens we had. I'm really getting stuck into this. We got lots of rotten logs stored in here, kind of acts as a sponge. When we get flooding, it soaks it up and also feeds the soil. Oh, I think I've just sat down on a stinging nettle. It's one of the best parts of the garden down here. It's like you're in another world, because it's sunken low, surrounded by trees. Very nice.
Hello.
Hello. I said hello as well. Golden delicious. Sometimes it's nice just to sit down, isn't it, and just watch things, listen. There's no staying up late tonight, girls and boys. Be food and bed soon. They're so tame. And they're not going far. I thought we'd try this today, something a little different for them. It's got all sorts in there, so if this don't lure them back, nothing will. Let's see if I can lure them back with a few handfuls. Let's try this, see whether they like it or not. Yeah, no, something's coming, didn't you? Maybe the cockerel will call them over once he comes. No, not interested. Yeah. Set a little trail up to the door, might get them in. Don't want to feed them too much because then they won't want to come in. Yeah, it's in the bag. Trying to put too much grain down so we don't eat it. That'll encourage mice and vermin. But we have got a plan for that, because we have got owls sitting on a nest, and Sam informs me this morning that there's chicks there. So we'll have little owlets flying around soon. They make a racket though. They're in the little recesses in the wall of our bedroom. The windows are on the inside, and obviously the owls are on the outside, but it's a deep recess and they always nest there. Yeah, it's lovely. Looks like my cunning plan is working. At least on 2 of them. They'll probably eat it and then go back out. I can hear a cuckoo. That's the first cuckoo we've heard this year. So at the moment we've got a mixture of the birds, the chickens. There's a cow bell going off. One of the cows has got a bell on. And we've got a cuckoo in the background. That's it, in you come. Yep, he's calling them in. Hey, I've bribed them with a little bit of greenery. Two more to come. 3 more. 2.
3 girls in the pot, and there you've got 2 girls together.
Sam's just wrangling the other 2 in.
There's a good girl. There's a good girl. That's it, all safe for the night. Supper time.
Well, that is it for this video. Hope you found it relaxing. I certainly did. Yeah, sometimes when you're doing lots of work, it is nice just to sit down and take it all in, realise what it's all about. See you in the next one when we'll be back in a cottage.